What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Raccoon Creek State Park. See if we can't hook up on some fish. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here's some open water here. Let's give it a shot and see if we can't hook up with something. Looks like I'm about to lose my spot I was going to go to next. Somebody's walking over there. Still a lot of ice out here. It's not thick, just enough where you can't fish. As soon as you toss a rock on it, it will break. There's a bald eagle. Never seen one at Raccoon Creek State Park before. There they go. That's so cool. That's the closest I've ever been to a wild eagle like that. Sweet. Beautiful park. I love this place. I love coming here, even if you don't catch any fish. Tons of hiking trails, although I've never been hiking on any of them. Maybe this summer I'll get to it for the first time. There's the eagle again. Here he comes. You can hear his wings. He's so close. Fish on. Ooh, nice big beautiful rainbow. Wow, look at this fish, guys. Oh, got off. Big beautiful rainbow trout. Wow, this thing's biggest rainbow trout I've ever caught. He's thick. Beautiful. Alright guys, let's let this guy go, see if we can't hook up with another one. Alright everyone, that does it for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.